Hey guys, it's Epic Ninja Killer here. I'm about to play some white noise with my friend. And I'm probably not gonna play for long because I have stuff to do, like go back to my school for something special. So I think whenever my friend's ready, we're gonna get this thing started. Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh, what map are we playing on? I wasn't paying attention. What map are we playing on, dude?
Random.
I'm. Oh.
What is my guy? I put on random.
Oh, I think you're the girl. Yeah, you're the blonde girl. Oh, I can't turn down my brightness. This is gonna be terrible. I'm just gonna make it dark so my viewers can't see what I'm playing.
Ooh, water. It won't let you drown yourself. I already tried.
What?
It won't let you try to drown yourself.
Why would you want to know that?
I don't know, just in case, like, so I wouldn't have to go around and find the tape like that kill myself.
Oh my god, you're such a scaredy cat. Okay, we're near a tape.
Oh, look at the things around you. They're the aliens.
I know.
It's right there. On the guy's number. You can let him a little bit.
Hey, cover me. Like, watch
Oh,
him.
no, okay, now I know why you're screaming.
I'm gonna check something. I just turned down my game volume by a lot.
It's staring at me. No, Thomas, don't move!
It's not there anymore. It's gone. Don't worry about it.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's gone.
Um, was this say like 2 seconds ago?
Oh God, it's right. It's right. It's behind us. It's behind us. It's behind us. I don't want.
Where
I
is
don't.
it?
It's behind us. I don't want to go out. Oh God, now
Oh,
it's in
no,
front
oh
of
god,
us.
no it's not.
It teleported in front of us. What? This is unfair. Is this? Nope. It's not.
Nightmare's terrible. If I look at it one more time, I'm dead.
Wait, we're playing on Nightmare.
Yeah.
You're an idiot. And we're gonna die right away. It's gonna be the shortest video ever. Ever created. Oh. Oi 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 oi.
He's still
Boing.
behind us.
No, he's not.
Yeah, I was just getting hurt by him.
Oh, he's right next to us. I'm about to die.
Oh, yep, okay.
What? We able? Oh, guy.
Where is he?
Right in front of us.
No, he's not.
Yes, yes. Oh, now he's
Where?
right there, off to my
Yep,
backside on
okay,
the right.
okay. Yep.
But we're not even gonna be able to get 2 tapes before he kills us. He just teleports in front of us.
My screen's so blurry. This flute will not get me. Wait up for me, we're gonna die.
Mine doesn't say it's not good. It's not good to go on or anything. Does yours say it?
Oh my fudge. Oh my fudge. Why do you walk so fast? Are you running?
No, I don't even think you can run.
This
Oh
thing
yeah,
does.
mine's LT. Oh, mine's. It's actually both of them.
Why am I getting hurt? Me in
Because
front of him?
he's right next to us.
Where? Oh, okay. I'm gonna die.
I'm well, I'm near another tape recorder. We might get 2. Where is it?
Well, hopefully, because I'm about to die. Yeah, swag.
Swag. Let's just keep going forward. I would think that one of them would be in the crocodile heads, but they're
Where'd
not.
you go?
I'm right here.
Oh, okay. You look so gay whenever you stop, you put your arm on your hip.
Oh my think he was.
There's green dildo.
Where?
Arcade.
Where?
Up, he's behind us.
I know. Let's just look at the sky for a little bit.
To regain sanity.
I can hear him breathing. That's not. He's behind the tree. I got hiccups now. Get much progress done in this. Yeah, he's not behind us. Okay, that's good.
Oh, you liar! Grease is so heavy.
Oh god.
How do you pick up a cake?
A. You like walk up to it and press A. You're not gonna find me.
Peekaboo.
Hi! Hold up. Oh, that is
garbage.
Oh, that.
Oh, garbage.
No, did I get killed? Did I get killed? Nope. I'm on LSD right now. I'm on LSD right now. LSD. LSD.
I'm gonna go like touch him with my back.
No, don't. You're gonna die.
Oh,
You're.
I don't know if we got close.
Shower right now. We'll see what's out. What, man? I gotta see how many are in there. There's not too much. I'll grab. Yeah.
Where are you? Oh, you're.
Behind me?
He's right behind me. He's directly behind me. His face is in my hair. His face is in my hair. He is stalking me. He is right behind me. Like, if you see me, he's right behind me. Like, directly behind me. Like, inside of me. Well, that was fun, I guess you could say that. Okay. So I guess that was White Noise, and it wasn't that bad. I played it a few times before.
No, watch the replay first.
I know. I'm not gonna do that.
I think we got like literally nowhere.
I bet we stayed in that one corner and like didn't leave.
As it happened.
We explored about one part of the map, I guess. They can't even see it. Wow. Right there. So it goes from there all the way up to there. That's where we spawn. And then we're down here. And then I went up, and then I died right there. Like, right there. The finger. So that was White Noise Online, and I enjoyed it. So like, comment, and subscribe for more, and stay stealthy, ninjas.